Hello guys, it's me Umesh Majumdar, a finally medical student studying at KBSU Russia. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit that like button. If you want to see new videos like these, please let me know in the comment section. So let's start it.
उन्होंने कुछ पॉलिप्स निकाले हैं जो आप देख रहे हो कैमरा में. ओके
So as it was the last day of the class, we decided to hang out a bit and relax a bit. So guys, it's raining outside, but I have to somehow get my COVID test done because I'll be leaving for India at around 12 o'clock or so, and I'll be reaching the airport at around 2 o'clock. So finally everything is done, COVID reports are done, and here I'm leaving for Manilvoti, which is the nearest international airport. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning, we are about to take off, and bye bye Russia. So finally landing in Dubai. From here I'll take another flight and I'll be flying to New Delhi. So this is another flight which will be heading towards Delhi now, and I'm pretty exhausted. I'll see you in Indore, which is my final destination. So I'm in Indore airport right now, and hopefully I'll see my family soon. So finally it's Raksha Bandhan and I'm going to visit my sister. She lives in a hostel of Navodaya. So yeah, my parents are also there. So it's flight day today. I'll be leaving from Indore for Delhi. So finally in Delhi, after 2 hours of the flight, I'm heading towards the COVID desk for a hard copy of my COVID reports. And here I'm waiting for my COVID reports. I hope it's negative. Also simultaneously starving from the whole day. I entered from the gate number 6, and finally after 4 hours of struggle I got to sit. So after a power nap, it's finally morning, and I've been served with some fruit salads which I've pre-ordered. So it looks like this. So here I took a cab and had a quick tour of Moscow, and I tell you what, I'll always keep cherishing this city. So I'll be leaving for Nalchik now. I was really unable to film that part because I was tired. So I've arrived at Nalchik, and my first block is of ATLS, that is Advanced Trauma Life Support, which is really a vital subject and I have to ace it. So it needs a lot of practical skills, so I have to master that. And for that I'm doing some case scenarios such as bone trauma and anaphylactic shock or something like that. So I'm going through the anaphylactic criteria right now and simultaneously learning how to manage it. So for the systolic blood pressure and the abdominal symptom and the skin mucosal membrane symptom, and also the hypotension, that is isolated hypotension in which the systolic blood pressure drops up to 90 mmHg. As it is an acute condition, so we have to give the patient about 500 mcg intramuscularly adrenaline, that is 1:1000 of a ratio, and the primary managements can be done by the ABCD symptom like airway, breathing, circulation, disability and exposure. Monitoring BP, O2 saturation and adrenaline will be a real key factor here. And those who are sitting there and commenting about the MBBS in Russia is not worth it. Let me tell you what, we go through around 258 control tests, and about 48 of them are major exams, a subtotal of 12 semesters, simultaneously away from home, maintaining stress and having a poor diet. Then after maintaining good grades is not an easy task at a daily basis where you have a daily class point. And I'm saying this on behalf of every foreign medical graduate who's going through this type of criticism. Anyway, my journey continues. Let's continue. I have to enter from the hind side. Our teacher was providing some tech information about the surgical department, how the tech is used in the surgical department, what are the necessary steps that you can take while using the tech. And this room is all about the purulent infection and cleaning of the infections and so on. The patient lives here for around 2 to 3 days for a bed stay.
It's okay. Have you had a breakfast?
Yes, ma'am, behind. दो बिस्किट खा
और गाइस एकदम सुबह सुबह 8 बजे बुलाया, ऐसा होता है तो 6 ईयर जैसा लगता है ना, इजी है वो ऐसे ही पता चलता है, तो हमेशा कुछ खा के आना चाहिए सुबह सुबह. यस मैम.
As I'm about to enter the ICU department, so I won't be able to film inside, so I'll see you in a bit. Till then, stay tuned and see what we saw inside.
हम आईसीयू से आ गए हैं, बट वहाँ हमें फ़ोन चलाना अलाउ नहीं है क्योंकि प्राइवेसी होती है पेशेंट्स की। तो जब भी आप ओटी में जाते हैं तो आपको सब कुछ प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं। ग्लव्स लेके जाना, टोपी, कैप और सब कुछ स्टेराइल होके जाना पड़ता है।
पेशेंट देखा वो 5 दिनों से कोमा में था। And after all this hassle, I'm heading towards my room. Probably I'll grab some lunch. And as expected, from morning it was cloudy and it started to drizzle. And I have to leave for my room now. But before leaving for the room, there is a sudden change in the plan. I got a reminder that I have to go for shopping. So I called my roommate to be there in 15 minutes so that we can grab some items that are required for our daily life. So here I'm grabbing some protein items, fresh veggies and bunch of other items. Finally, it's time to return to my room. And after reaching room, I have to prepare for my another cycle that is all about the hospital therapy and so on. So that is gonna be a very important subject too. And here I'm recalling about the nephrology with the pharmacological aspect too, so that I can prescribe perfect medications. So that wraps up the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep grinding, keep learning, stay motivated.